So maybe you want to be an influencer, or you already are, and you're wondering, how can you monetize your social media? And is it actually worth it? Do influencers make money? That's what we're going to be talking about in today's video. And hey, if you're interested in a more series on influencer marketing, make sure you let me know in the comments below, and make sure you heart and like this channel. So first of all, I want to give you some statistics. First, in 2021, it was estimated that there were $3.69 billion set forth for influencer marketing and advertising on social media. In 2022, that number is set to go up to $4.14 million. And get a load of this, by 2023, the number is going up to $4.6 billion. So yes, there is definitely money to be had in influencer marketing, but you've got to make sure that you're smart. You've got to make sure that you're strategic in the way that you're doing things. And what I can say is that 34% of children or young adolescents, what they want to do when they grow up is they actually want to be an influencer. So yes, it is a career move, and quite honestly, it's one that I never thought I would be taking myself, and I still feel a little bit weird when somebody says, oh, you're an influencer. But in reality, with my TikTok handle having almost 100,000 followers at the time of this video, my YouTube, my Instagram, all of those things, I guess technically I am an influencer, but I am about providing as much value to my audience as I possibly can. But at the same time, I want to monetize my brand if I'm putting in all this time and effort to make all of these videos. So let's talk about how can you monetize your social media? What do you need to do? And how can you make great money as an influencer in this social media space that quite honestly is not going away? All right. So the number one way that I find influencers make money is they are actually paid to post somebody else's product or service. So for example, let's say your favorite company that you talk about anyways, you could go over to them and you message them and you tell them that you're an influencer, you give them all of your bios, you have your whole media kit ready for them, and they would pay you anywhere up from 10K, depending on how many followers you have, 10K just to post one simple product, which then in turn they can go and use for their ad spend. So you release the rights to that post, but you do one post for them, right? So that's a paid post. TikTok post, YouTube post, all of those things, you'll see it over here. I get emails on the daily for people that are asking me to post for them, and they will pay me to post their product or their services because it's basically like advertising for them. However, when you're an influencer, you're creating this amazing brand of like, know, and trust that when you put something out there, then people want what you have. And so brands are spending so much money. Like I mentioned earlier in this video, they're spending a ton of money in terms of influencer marketing, and that's what they're doing. They're paying somebody to do that post. Now, what I will add is you don't want to just post anything that people pay you. Like, I'm very selective as to what people will pay me, what I will, pay to promote, because I want to make sure that I stand behind it and that it's very much in line with my brand and what my audience wants to see. And if it's not, then I do a hard pass no. So you definitely want to make sure that you're selective, and yet it's something that you can stand behind on your own, because, for me, your integrity, your name is your everything. And especially as an influencer, you don't want to be known as that person that's just promoting, and you don't really even actually like or want that particular product. Now, the second way that influencers are making a lot of money is it's actually promoting somebody else's product, but it's called affiliate marketing. And affiliate marketing is where you get a link to a particular product or to a particular service, and you earn a percentage of commission for each person that orders off of your particular link. Now, Amazon affiliates is probably the most common affiliate, and what I'm going to link over here is the affiliate company that I'm partnered with. It's right over here. It's called Modare, and what I love about the Modare aspect of the affiliate marketing is they actually pay you up to 36% commission on each order and each reoccurring order, which is very different than your traditional affiliate marketing. So if you're looking for an affiliate marketing company, click over here, and then I'm going to put a link for you to message me, and we can chat more about the affiliate side of Modare, which is actually 36% commission, because Amazon is great, but they really pay about 3% commission. So you're talking about large quantities of orders that have to come in order to make, a significant income. Where, with the company that I'm with Modere, 36% commission on every single reoccurring order, and it's a monthly consumable product. You can do the math when, we have influencers like myself that sell upwards from $15,000 to $100,000 in product every single month, and you earn 36% commission, which is amazing. So if you're interested, definitely make sure you send me a message. But affiliate marketing is an amazing way to kind of generate a little bit more of that reoccurring income potentially. And then the third way that influencers are making great money is just like I'm doing right here, building a YouTube channel or monetizing your Facebook Reels. I've got many influencer friends of mine who now get paid several $1,000s a month for their Facebook Reels because Facebook started paying you for your Reels. TikTok also pays you for their Reels, for their TikToks, but actually the percentage is pretty much lower than it is. You can actually make more money over on your Facebook Reels. And so at the end of this video, I'll link for you a Facebook Reels video training that I did so you can learn more. But YouTube actually pays me through AdSense every single month. And so what happens is once your YouTube channel is fully monetized, you will get paid per the amount of views that are showing up on your YouTube channel. So for everybody that's watching your videos, there's ads that are put before it, and AdSense or Google or YouTube, they're all the same. They actually pay me for those videos. So please make sure that you keep watching my videos even past the ads so that, hey, I'm receiving some income. Now, the fourth way is to do a little bit of shout outs to your, shout outs, quick little posts that you do on your TikToks, your Instagrams, whatever it may be. You do a quick little shout out and a company will give you a small, percentage of this, percentage of sale, or they will give you a lump sum, kind of like a paid to make a post, but it's a little bit less involved, so to speak. And then the fifth way that influencers, and this is something else that I've done personally, is they start to create their own products. They've really become that entrepreneurial spirit. They might create their own course, they might create their own products. So I've also got a YouTube channel, a YouTube course for YouTubers on how to set up your YouTube channel so that it's set up and optimized. So that's another way that I've also been able to bring in a significant income, is through my course creation that I have. Or, people do merchandise all the time. I see influencers, maybe they say something and they have such a loyal following and they keep repeating that same, phrase over and over again. And it's kind of like their phrase, so to speak. And they create merchandise for that and their audience goes and orders the merchandise. The key to remember when it comes to influencer marketing is that you want to create a sense of community. You want to create that loyal follower that will put and purchase anything that you say because your brand in your name is your everything, and they follow you and they believe in you, and what you put out there, they will then go and purchase. And so does influencer marketing happen overnight? Absolutely, it doesn't. I have been building on this online space for many, many, many years. It has taken me time to get better at video. It has taken me time to learn different ways to monetize. Like I said, affiliate marketing is definitely the way that I have been able to monetize the most. It's helped me grow and be able to retire from being that school counselor and licensed professional counselor, but it is definitely not something that happened overnight. And so if you're thinking about influencer marketing, or you are an influencer, but you're not quite sure how to monetize it, know that it takes time, know that it takes strategy, and know that the number one thing to success that's going to set you apart from everybody else is actually consistency. Because the number one thing that has set me up for success is that I am consistent to a fault, and I continue to grow my following, I continue to put out value to my audience. So, the ideas of being like that influencer, so to speak, those days are now changed to a content creator, because a content creator is actually somebody that's putting out a lot of value for their audience. And so if you've liked this, if you found value and you like this video, make sure you hit the subscribe button, make sure you give it the thumbs up, and then tell me in the comments, how many followers do you have on your social media channel, and how long have you been an influencer? Can't wait to hear from you.